Hi friends, today I like to share one Excel very useful feature name is camera. So first I will show how you will get that one. So first go to flip this one and go to more commands and then choose the all commands. Here you can get and then slowly come down and here one is option is camera, add here and then make OK. Now you can see it is here. So how to use it that one? First select all these content what you want and put the camera, then go to next page, it will come automatically. Now if you want to put in like a PPT, so you can put here, so you can reduce it smaller and bigger like that. And if you want to edit it also, like it will also you can edit. Here so you can directly, like if you want to edit during your meeting, some content you want to change, some discussion is happening, so such a way you can edit. And also there is a one useful thing is that like you change anything here, like I remove this design, so then you can see it is automatically reflect here. So again immediately you can copy and immediately put there in your PPT. So that is a very useful. And what is the like a disadvantage of directly copy, that is also I will show you. Now you can see it is getting some spread kind of thing, it is not coming properly. So you need to adjust so many things here. And also in case of like a snapshot, what will happen, you can't edit it that one. So this is a very good feature, I like it. So I believe it is you like this video, so please like it, share it and subscribe my channel for future, and also you can set your notification. Thank you.